Learn English to Gujarati verbs. Collide to de-escalate with.
ટકરાવું,
And.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Welcome to the verb circus. Hey, you are about to learn 8 smart Gujarati verbs without falling asleep on page 2. We will keep it useful, vivid, and just silly enough to stick in your memory. Today your mission is to learn these English verbs in Gujarati: collide, correspond, complement, converge, diverge, accumulate, escalate, and de-escalate. In Gujarati, they are
ટકરાવું, પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો, પૂરક બનવું, એકત્ર થવું, વિચલિત થવું, એકત્રિત થવું, વધવું,
and.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Yes, that is a serious list. No, you do not need a cape. But it would help. Word parade. First, let's meet the words one by one. Say them out loud with me, even if your cat judges your accent. Collide is.
ટકરાવું,
Imagine 2 shopping carts racing toward discount mangoes and suddenly.
ટકરાવું,
Correspond is.
પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો.
Think of 2 friends sending long emails that begin with "Dear Genius" and end 3 pages later. Complement is.
પૂરક બનવું,
Like tea and biscuits, or socks that actually match for once, they.
પૂરક બનવું,
Converge is.
એકત્ર થવું,
Many roads, ideas, or hungry cousins.
એકત્ર થવું,
In one place. Diverge is.
વિચલિત થવું,
One path becomes 2, and suddenly everyone is confidently going the wrong way. Accumulate is.
એકત્રિત થવું,
Dust, laundry, coins, and unread messages all.
એકત્રિત થવું,
With suspicious speed. Escalate is.
વધવું,
A tiny argument about 1 spoon can.
વધવું,
Into a family-level political crisis. De-escalate is.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
This is what the wise auntie does with 1 calm look and a plate of snacks. A ridiculous story you will remember. Now let's drop all 8 words into 1 funny scene. If the story feels absurd, good, absurd things are easier to remember. You are at the Great Gujarati Language Fair. 2 toy cars.
ટકરાવું,
At the entrance because both drivers are distracted by free samosas. Nearby, 2 pen pals finally meet after years of.
પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો.
And they are delighted that neither is actually a robot. At the food stall, mint chutney and hot pakoras.
પૂરક બનવું,
Perfectly. Meanwhile, 3 lines of visitors.
એકત્ર થવું,
Near the only stall selling giant jalebis. Then the lines.
વિચલિત થવું,
When someone whispers, free dessert on the other side. Empty cups, crumbs, and mysterious flyers.
એકત્રિત થવું,
On every table, a small complaint about queue cutting begins to.
વધવું,
Voices rise. Eyebrows rise higher. One uncle rises for no clear reason. Then the announcer speaks softly, offers extra tea, and manages to.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Congratulations. You just survived the verb fair. Mini dialogues. Let's make the verbs sound natural. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the tiny drama. A. Did the bikes collide? B. Yes, they.
ટકરાવું,
Near the gate. A. Do you still correspond with your teacher? B. Yes, we.
પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો.
By email. A. Do these colors work together? B. Absolutely, they.
પૂરક બનવું,
A. Where do these roads meet? B. They.
એકત્ર થવું,
Near the bridge. A. And after the bridge? B. They.
વિચલિત થવું,
A. Why is your desk so full? B. Papers.
એકત્રિત થવું,
When I ignore them. A. Is the conflict getting worse? B. Yes, it may.
વધવું,
A. What should we do now? B. We should.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Before anybody starts writing angry poetry. Quick memory hooks. Here are fast mental pictures to glue each word into your brain. No actual glue needed. Please keep glue away from your brain. 4.
ટકરાવું,
Picture 2 fists gently bumping together. 4.
પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો.
Imagine letters flying between 2 desks. 4.
પૂરક બનવું,
See 2 puzzle pieces clicking into place. 4.
એકત્ર થવું,
Imagine arrows moving toward one glowing point. 4.
વિચલિત થવું.
See one road splitting into two roads. 4.
એકત્રિત થવું.
Picture coins piling up in a jar. 4.
વધવું.
See a staircase going upward, step by step. 4.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Imagine pushing hot steam gently downward until the room is calm. You try it. Now it is your turn. I will give you a clue, and you say the Gujarati word before I do. Ready? 2 cars crash into each other. You say.
ટકરાવું.
2 old friends exchange letters for years. You say.
પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો.
2 flavors fit perfectly together. You say.
પૂરક બનવું.
Many paths come together at one point. You say.
એકત્ર થવું.
One path splits into different directions. You say.
વિચલિત થવું.
Small savings build up over time. You say.
એકત્રિત થવું.
A conflict becomes more intense. You say.
વધવું.
A calm voice reduces tension in an argument. You say.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Tiny contrast lesson. This part helps you avoid mixing up look-alike ideas. A small contrast now saves a giant headache later. Remember this pair.
એકત્ર થવું.
Means converge, things come together.
વિચલિત થવું.
Means diverge, things move apart. Another useful pair.
વધવું.
Means escalate, tension rises.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Means de-escalate, tension goes down. And do not confuse.
પૂરક બનવું.
With copying. It means 2 things fit well together, like melody and rhythm, or tea and gossip. Friendly conclusion. Nice work, you made it through collisions, letters, snacks, roads, dust, drama, and peace. That is a very productive learning session. Today you practiced.
ટકરાવું. પત્રવ્યવહાર કરવો. પૂરક બનવું. એકત્ર થવું. વિચલિત થવું. એકત્રિત થવું. વધવું.
And.
તણાવ ઓછો કરવો.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in your own silly sentences. That is how vocabulary stops being a stranger and starts becoming yours.